Alright folks, check this out. We are going to head to the car wash. Now, some of this mud here is caked on here pretty good as far as, you know, on the fenders and stuff like that. But for the most part, a lot of this stuff is just surface mud, like watery type mud. So it's not, other than this huge chunk of mud type stuff, we are going to run to the car wash. Why? Because we're gonna go through the automatic car wash and we're gonna see how well the car wash, the automatic car wash, will actually clean this. Now, there's still a lot of mud underneath here, stuff like that. Looks like I might be leaking a little oil on my diff cover. But, see, I don't know if it'll clean a lot of this stuff very good, but I'm pretty sure it's going to clean this fairly good. But there's only one way to find out, so we're on our way to go see. So stay tuned. All right, folks, here we are. We're at the car wash, and we are going to enter the car wash here. So let's see if this will work. We're gonna go with the double. We're gonna try the extreme. Wait, what? Verifying. All right, so let's work. Oh, look at that, it proved it. All right, here we go. We're just gonna film coming in, and then I'll just be patient for a second, and then we'll get it. I'll get out afterwards, and we'll get the final word. Alrighty. Oh. Hear all that mud kind of just floating around out there. All right, let's see. Thought our car was a little longer than it actually is. Oh, see, that kind of took off a good little chunk. Except this side. Alright folks, I gotta make this quick because we got music here, but I'm gonna cut the sound here. Just folks, we have got it somewhat clean. It's not the best, and we wasted some money in the automatic car wash, but I also got a leak right up in here, and it's leaking quite a bit actually. So we might have to check those seals here in the next little bit, but that's all. Nothing fancy, not really a great video, so to say, but I just wanted to see if that car wash would clean off the majority of the mud. And it did, it cleaned off a lot of it, but there were still some good chunks just kind of on the fenders and stuff. So we just paid a couple more dollars and sprayed it off by ourselves. So anyways, stay tuned, go watch some of the shorts, and be ready for the next video. Smile. Smile every morning. Yeah, my wife thinks that's funny. Peace.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.